Good morning, dear student. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home, and also hope you all are doing well at home. So, dear student, this is Joy Singh. Welcome you all in a maths online class. So, student, first of all, take out your book, this one, okay, and also take out your notebook, pencil, eraser, and sharpener with yourself and start. Now, in previous class, student, I have taught you about the ordinal number. है ना, previous class में मैंने क्या पढ़ा था? Ordinal number. So today, check out page number 23. Okay. So, can you tell me what is ordinal number? Yes, think. So, ordinal numbers are the number who tells us about the position. Okay. पोजीशन ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट, किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट या किसी भी थिंग्स के बारे में वो क्या बता ऑर्डिनल नंबर, इट टेल्स अबाउट द पोजीशन. ओके, मीन्स सपोज one ball I have kept here, one second ball is here, and one more ball I have kept here. These are three objects, okay, but you have to find out which ball is where, so you have to find out the position of the balls. Okay, this one is number 1. Okay, this one is number 2, this one is number 3. So you are not going to tell this ball is in 3, no. So you are going to tell that this ball is means red color, this one is red color, if red color, green color, blue color, so it is in first position, green color is in second position, and blue color is in third position. Okay, so like this I have taught you in the previous video. Okay, so today take out page 23. Okay, student, take out page 23. Now, student, see on page 23 it is mentioned color the second ball red, fifth ball blue, and seventh ball green. Okay, the question is done. So here I am drawing one ball, two ball, three ball, four ball, 5 ball, 6 ball, 7 ball. Okay, student, 8 ball, 9 ball, and 10 ball. Okay, these are 10 balls. Okay, so what you have to do, यहाँ पे ये बॉल की पोजीशन क्या है? This one is in first position, second position, third position, fourth position. Okay, fifth position, sixth position, seventh position, then eighth position, ninth position, and then 10th position. Okay, so the question is that you have to color the second ball red. This ball is, ये जो बॉल है इसकी पोजीशन कहाँ है? सेकंड पे है. ओके, तो इस बॉल को आपको रेड कलर करनी है. ओके स्टूडेंट, एंड देन फिफ्थ बॉल ब्लू, देन फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ. तो फिफ्थ बॉल इज दिस वन, इसको आपको ब्लू करना है. ओके, एंड आफ्टर दैट सेवेंथ बॉल ग्रीन, सिक्स्थ एंड सेवेंथ. ओके स्टूडेंट, हियर इज 7, सो यहाँ पे आपको कौन सा कलर करना है? ग्रीन. ओके, सो लाइक दैट 8 बॉल येलो, 8 ball is this one, so here you have to go and do the color yellow. Okay, so like this you have to complete this question number 1. Okay, it is mentioned on page number 23. Do it in your book. Okay students, so do it right now. It's very simple. Okay, so like this you have to complete. Now I am moving to the next question. Okay, I'm moving to the next question. Color the seventh ball orange, third ball purple, and eighth ball brown. So like this you have to do the second question also. Okay, so do it on your own. Second question. Okay, here also जो सेवेंथ नंबर पे जो बॉल आएगा, जो पोजीशन सेवेंथ पोजीशन जिस बॉल की आएगी वो आपको ऑरेंज कलर करना है. थर्ड बॉल विल बी इन पर्पल कलर एंड एथ बॉल को क्या करना है, यू हैव टू डू इन brown color. Okay, so like that you have to complete. Now one more question are given. Okay student, see, fill in the boxes to find the name of this great man. See here, ये जो great man है, so do you know the name of this man? Who is he? He is a father of nation. ये जो है, he is a father of a nation and his name was, or his name is Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, so here you have to write down the Gandhi, but how you are going to write down? Now look at the blackboard. Okay, here it is fill in the boxes. Okay student, fill in the boxes to find the name of this great man. Okay, the eighth letter is I. The eighth letter जो है वो क्या है? Eighth letter is I. Okay, eighth letter is I. Here so many boxes are there. See. Okay, like this it is drawn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So here what is the what is clue is given? The eighth letter is I. Eighth letter is which one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here it is I. Okay, so I have written I here. Then the first letter is first letter. First letter is what? First letter is G. जो first letter है वो क्या है? G. So I have written here G. Okay student, got it? Now the fifth letter is H. Fifth letter is here and it is what? It is H. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Fifth letter is this one and it is what? H. Again, the third letter is N. Third letter is what? N. So first, second, third. So third is what? N. Okay student? Got it? Now, the second letter is what? Second letter is A. So here I have written A. First, second. Okay? Then the fourth letter is T. Fourth letter is what? B. So first, second, third, and here it's come fourth. So here it is D. Then the seventh letter is J. Seventh letter is what? It's J. The sixth letter is I. The sixth letter is what? It's I. Okay? So seventh letter, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Sixth letter is I and seventh letter is J. Okay? So what's it become? It's become Gandhi G. Okay? It's become Gandhi G. Got it student? And I also hope you all understood this very well. Okay? So do it right now. Like this you have to complete this box. Okay student? So do it fast. Now I am moving to the next question. Okay? Next question. See here. Write the position the position. Write. So the next question is write the position. Write the position. Okay, write the position. Okay, student. So here it is what? The position. The position of H in elephant. ELEPHANT is what? Is what? The position of H in elephant is what? So find out. First position, second position, third position, fourth position, fifth position. Okay. So here you will write down fifth. F-I-F-T-H. Fifth. The position of H in elephant is fifth. Okay. Now find out the position of A in peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. So is what? See, first position, second position, third position. A is in which position? A जो है वो किस position पे है? Third position. So here you are going to write down third. Okay, third. Now find out the position of E in tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Okay, is what? E is in first position, second position, third and fourth. So here you are going to write down F-O-R-T-H. Fourth position. Okay. So like this you have to complete the rest question. Okay, in your book. No need to write down this in your copy. You have to complete it in your book. Okay, student. So do it fast. So you all have done? Okay, very good, student. So these all are about the ordinal number. These all are about ordinal number which I have completed today. Okay, student, which I have completed today. Okay. Now I am moving to the next topic. Okay, addition, counting together. Okay. Now before I'm moving the addition counting. Okay, addition, counting you have to do. Addition, counting. Okay, it is given on page number 24. It is given on page number 24. Okay, student. See, one aeroplane here and here it is two aeroplane. So you have to count together 1, 2, 3. So here it becomes 3 aeroplane. Okay. Suppose here it is 1 tree and again 1 tree. Okay, and here it is what? Here it is one more tree. Okay. So all together how many trees? 1, 2 and 3. So how many trees? 3. 3 means 2 plus 1. I have done here. Here it is 2 and then I have done the plus and then 1. So it's become how many trees? It's become 3 trees. Okay, student? So now next, if suppose here it is 1 ball, 2 ball and down it is 1 ball, 2 ball. Okay, you have to do the plus. So here it is 2 ball and again 2 ball. So all becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. So here it's become 4 balls. Okay, it's become 4 balls. So like this you have to add the counting together. Okay, counting together. Now do it and next now the next questions. Okay, student. So you all understood this? I hope you all have understood this. Okay, so what you have to do today, your homework for tomorrow. Now you have to complete page number 23 and 24 in your book. Okay, student? So this is your what? This is your homework for tomorrow. Okay, homework for tomorrow. 23 page number and 24 you have to complete in your book. And I hope you all have understood the addition, counting. Only one page is there in your book, so that you have to complete it. Okay, in your own. And also student, please, if you are having any problem, okay, so go through the link, this link. Okay, आप इस लिंक को बार बार ओपन करके आप उसको देख सकते हैं. And if any queries you can ask through the live chat is there, so you can ask through the comment. Okay, and also please study hard at home. Okay, please study hard at home and also complete your work on time and also mention the date. Okay, जब भी मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ on that dates you have to mention in your copy. Okay, student, and also don't forget to wash your hand regularly. Always try to eat healthy food and stay home, stay safe. Bye. See you in the next class, student. Bye.